Open houses is a good way to entice potential buyers and tenants to take up your property. Hi, I'm Aldric Toyad, a real estate negotiator with RGroup Sdn Bhd. My RAN number is 32167. Open houses are when you open up your house or your property for the access of strangers, whether they're other agents or potential buyers and tenants, to come walk through the property, experience and see it for themselves. Unlike viewings by appointment, you would set up a date already for anyone and you'd promote it, or your agent would promote the open house to anyone and everyone in the area. There are 5 things that you need to remember, 5 important things if you're going to perform this open house. Note that these are not how to do an open house, but 5 important things when you're doing the open house. First and foremost, use the no shoes allowed approach. Where reasonable, except in cases of factories of course. When it's a residential property, avoid having shoes being used inside the property to minimize the dirt being brought into, to maintain the cleanliness of the property. Second is to put in please do not use signs in toilets and other areas of the house where necessary. What you don't want in an open house is at the end of the day, or before the next visitor, the next viewing comes, you find little surprises in the toilet bowl. So having this please do not disturb signs, little placards around, indicates that look, like a show house, you're not supposed to use this until you make a deal. Third is never do an open house alone. Always have at least 2 other people with you, especially if you have multiple stories or 2 stories. Having one taking care of one floor while you entertain the guests would be a good way to distribute the workload. At the same time, we're also talking about safety and security. When you are inviting strangers into your house, into your property, you can't really control or filter them out. While you open up the chances of you increase the number of eyeballs looking at your property, it also means that you are exposing your property to individuals you don't know. So have 2 other people with you. The fourth important point, have a visitor's book. A visitor's book will help you remember and recall who came for that open house that you conducted, without having you to scratch your head. And that way you can in a way track, if you're doing an open house on a regular basis, you can see who have been returning over and over again. It's a good way to filter out non-genuine buyers or non-genuine tenants from coming in. Fifth is have a business card bowl. Having a business card bowl allows visitors to drop in their business card, whether they're a real estate negotiator, conveyancing lawyer, or whatever profession that they are working as. It allows them to leave a part of vital information for your reference in the future. So let me recap the 5 vital information that you need to do when you're doing an open house. Number 1, no shoes allowed. Number 2, have please do not use signs, especially in the toilet. Number 3, make sure you have others with you, at least 2 other people helping you out. Number 4, have a visitor's book. Number 5, make sure you have a business card bowl. If you have any questions on marketing your property, feel free to get in touch with me. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you benefited from this video. Again, this does not cover how to do an open house, but 5 important points to remember when you're doing an open house. Thank you very much. Have a great day ahead. Bye.